Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Okay, before we get started, hit that subscribe button. It'll take you 1 second. Right, so what I'm going to do first of all, I'm going to import OS. Okay, so we definitely need to import that. And we're going to import the time module as well. And wait, something in there. Let's just go back on that. Import time. Okay, and now I'm going to create storage here. Okay, this is where I'm going to store the items, and I'll show you this. So first of all, what we're going to do is I'm going to create a little function here called define directory. Okay, so this is a little function called directory. And we're going to have a look in a path. So for me, on my machine, this will be different for you, of course, so you'll have to find the path on your machine. So it's going to be C, and it's going to be users, and mark, and let's say documents there. So that's my path. You'll have to find the path on your computer because it will be different. Okay, so I'm going to create directory path. It's going to be equal to os.list directory here. So we're going to list the directory, which is the path up here that I've just created. Okay, and then we're going to print some user input so they know what's going on in the program. So this is the path. Okay, so they know what the path is. Path there, so it will print out the path. Okay, and print contents. Okay, contents here, which is going to be the directory path. So that will print out the contents here. And what we're going to do is we're going to print another message to the user telling the user what is going to be happening. So this is going to be a new line, storing contents in a list. So we're going to store the contents of this directory in a list. So let's go like that. And what we're going to do, storage dot append here directory path. So we're going to store that up here in this list. Okay, and then we're going to print off another message to the user, storing like that. And then we're going to do time.sleep. So we're going to give it a little bit of a pause here using the time function of 2 seconds. Okay, so it will pause for 2 seconds, so it will give the impression that it's storing the data in the storage up here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to print out the storage so you can see that we've stored the data in the storage list. Okay. Right, the last one here, we're going to print out some more information, and just to show you that the information from the directory has been stored in the storage list, first of all we're going to do type. Okay, type is, and then we're going to type storage. So you'll see that storage here is actually a list. Okay. So, right, what we're going to do is, I'm going to name that directory 1. Actually, I'll just save that there. And I'm going to call the function by calling it directory 1. I'm going to call that function. Okay, just hit save again. And let's run it, shall we? Okay, slight error there. I wonder what the error is. Let's check out this error. Okay, I think I missed out a colon here. Okay, there we go. Okay, so what's happened here is, let me just increase this. So this is the path. So that's the path, and this is all the contents of that directory. And what we did, we stored all the contents of that directory up there. We stored all this, storing in here in this list. Okay, and just to prove it's been stored in a list, the type class list. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. Hope you've enjoyed that, and I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.